In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the text elements within Videos. So we currently have two different types of text elements, the animated text and the plain text. And if I select animated text first and show you this example. So when you add on text, it simply gets added to the canvas, and you can go ahead and change up the text within the text box over here, like so, okay? We can go over to the style options and we can go ahead and adjust the color of the text. You can select the text font, you can select whether you want it to be italic or not. Also, you can select the text font weight, so if you want it to be light like so. And you can adjust the size, the transparency, and all these kind of style options over here. Also, the line spacing is a really cool one that we can use. So if you're going to use two sentences, for example, like so, what you can do is adjust the line spacing, and this is good, you know, if your text is too bunched up like this, you can go ahead and add in a bigger gap so it looks more clear like that, okay? What you can also do, if I just delete this text first of all, you can also add in letter spacing. This is a space between the letters, as you can see right now. And this looks really nice if you can use it in different ways to stylize your canvas, okay? You can also add on text shadows just by simply dragging these down like this, and you can adjust the color. Maybe if you want to add in like a white kind of one, what you can do is also make it like a glow effect by simply bringing up the blur and making the white fully white like so. And you'll be able to see we've got a really nice kind of glow effect at the background of this text, okay? Again, we can go over to the animations and select an animation for the in and also for the out, if I just slide bottom along like this, and even for the mid animations if you want to have a mid animation like this, for example. You can also loop your animations by pulsing, for example, as well. I'm just going to not select that one, and I'm going to go back over to in animations, and I'm going to mask this animation. Now this means that the animation will only animate within this blue box over here, like so. So we can make the mask even bigger, and then it's going to have a bigger animation. You can see like that. And also under interactivity, we can select hover effects, for example, move top, spin like this, and we can adjust the duration of those animations as well. We can also add on a hyperlink to a URL, so for example, videos.com, and that will link directly to videos.com if someone clicks on that text. So if I just preview this through, you can see if I hover my mouse on it, it animates like that, and I can go and click on that and it brings me to my URL. So that's the first animated text. What you can also do is add on just the plain text one over here, and the difference between this is it's more of a on the canvas type editor. So if you double click on this, you can change the text on the canvas like so. Again, we can just drag this text box out. I can double click on this text, I can make it bold, italic, underlined, and I can also change the color of the text as well. And if you want a specific text color, what you can do is add in the hex code of your text color within that little box over here. If I just double click on that again, you can add in the text code right in there, okay? I'm just going to go double click on this text. I'm going to unselect all of these ones, and I'll make this color white. And another thing you can do as well is select specific parts of the text and just adjust those ones. So maybe you want to emphasize a certain word like change. You can obviously underline it, change up the text color as well like this, and you can have more of a emphasis on a specific word like that. That looks quite nice, okay? So that's the main differences between animated text and text. Also, one other difference is the animations. When you animate animated text, it animates directly as one whole line. When you use animated text and you animate this one, it animates one letter by letter, and you can go ahead and adjust the letters as well so they can come in one at a time like that. And yeah, different things like that as well. Okay, so that's the main examples of using animated text and text on Videos.